Hey Marlon babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tori Elon, and I'm here today with a brand new video. If you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button to my channel if you're new. If you already subscribed, welcome back. I'm back with another hair unboxing, or this might be the first one that y'all see. I don't know which one I'm going to post first, but I'm unboxing hair after hair. Give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Today I have a wig from VIVI, I think that's how you pronounce it. VIVI Baby hair. The packaging is so cute, but let me just start off with the customer service. The people were totally nice, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig and all that good stuff. This is a 24-inch U-part wig, and now U-part wig is like, it's kind of like a sew-in with leave out, but it's no sew-in. Like, it's going to look like this when I put it in, but it's nothing being sewn, if you get what I'm saying. So a U-part wig is basically like a wig with an open section for your real hair, and I think U-part wigs and like sewn with leave outs in general, like leave out period, just looks way more natural than lace wigs. Because I don't know who y'all be letting put on y'all wigs, but sometimes it just, like, the lace is visible. Sometimes it can look crusty. And, you know, sometimes you might not want to sew in like I have. Sometimes you might want to just throw in a wig and go or something. And I think this is the best solution to that. You can keep a natural look and you still can just throw it on and go. You can put it on and take it off at any time. So that's why I really was excited about this wig. I cannot wait to try it. I know I love me a good leave out. Late to the gods, honey. This is my first U-part wig, and I'm very excited. So without further ado, let's just open the hair. I hate people who ramble, like so I took it came by Amazon. I took it out of the Amazon package. So this is the packaging. Really cute. 100% human hair, and this is just what they send you. It's a Chinese label, which is not important. So this is how it looks when I open the box. So you have the wig. They send you their card. VIVI Baby hair. Pretty model on the front. 100% human hair, no synthetic. And it was like so cheap. Well, you know, they sent it to me, but it was going to be $140, I think, for a 24-inch wig. So that, you can't beat that. You can't beat that, honey. And on the back it says, "Hey dear, thank you so much for your order. Hope you like the hair. VIVI Baby hair has one professional after sales service team, 24 hours professional customer service online. Please feel free to contact us if there's anything that lets you down." It's all their contact information, and it has a scan thing so you can follow them on their social medias. Really cute. And they sent a wig cap. But I'm not gonna like need this wig cap, I don't think, because, you know, even though it's a wig, it's a U-part, so I could see if they sent a lace with like a frontal wig, because, you know, yeah. But I probably won't be using this with this wig. I'll probably use it if I have another wig, whatever. And yeah, that's the box. So let's open this wig. So first I see the stretched, no, not stretched length, that's the other one. The hair texture of this hair is body wave, and the stretched length of this hair is 24 inches. This is how it looks. Came in this bag. So it comes like this. Oh my god, it's soft from the outside of this, of the whole hairnet. I can still feel the hair, and it's so soft. So it comes with this. Most companies don't send that. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing. Oh wow. Okay, so I like companies who put their hair in a hairnet, because like, and it came with one of those things that says do not eat on it. I don't know what it's for, but this is the wig. Just look. Oh my god, y'all, look at this pattern. Wow. Oh wow. Yes, look at this pattern. Cute body wave pattern. It's really soft. And let me smell it, because y'all know these hair, especially from these Chinese companies, Chinese based companies, sometimes they smell like fish or something, and it's just, I don't know. I mean, it just smells like hair. I mean, not the best smelling hair, but I mean, it's hair. What do you want hair to smell like? So like I mentioned, this is a U-part wig, so this is the opening part of where the leave out would go. So this is nice, and I like how they make the part wide enough to cover, you know, the track, but not too big, because you know you would never want too much leave out. I hate having too much leave out. Oh my god. Let's get in the inside. They have the combs, and it's really good if you're active or into sports or something, or maybe you don't want to take the wig off, or maybe you just want to secure it. Maybe you're about to go fight somebody and you still want the wig on. I don't know what the case may be. When you have your cornrows or your braids, you can hook these clips on there and make the wig really secure, and that's what I like about it, because I don't know, I just like a wig to be secure, like hair period. Who wants their hair falling out? This is the inside. It's really nice. That's how it's looking. Oh yeah, this is really soft. Yes, this is, and look at the shine and the luster. Like, do y'all see that, or is it just me? This is a really nice wig at such a low cost. This is really nice. This is really nice, and it's really soft. Now let's do that shed test, honey. Okay, one pull. I got one hair from the first pull. Second pull, I didn't get any hair. Third pull, I didn't get any hair. So I only got one strand of hair out of 3 pulls, and that's really good. You know, you can't like yank on the hair, because of course it's gonna come out, but say you want to brush it or something, or put your hands through it, no hair. So that's really good. Some of these bundles really do shed. I did another wig unboxing on my channel, but that was like a full lace wig, and that hair shed really bad. Like, there were several strands coming out when I was doing the shed test, and then after I put it on, it started shedding. Like, I had to sweep literally every day. I had to sweep my bathroom every day. I got hair from this again. I don't know if y'all can see. I probably can't see. I hope you're on a problem wig. But this is really cute. I can't wait to install this wig after this hairstyle is done with. But I just literally got this done less than a week, so I'm probably about to have this hairstyle in for a couple more weeks, and then I'm gonna put this in. Yeah, I love it though. Like, it's very soft, and it's thick too, especially for a U-part wig, because this is 24 inches too, but it's 3 bundles. Like, it's not a wig. And like, let me see. This wig is thicker than my 3 bundles from another hair company. But you just stay tuned for my other hair unboxing. But this wig is really nice. I'm not getting any tangles either. Yeah, this hair. And I just think the wave is so pretty. And it is really soft, and it doesn't smell like hamburgers or lunch meat or however the other hair be smelling. Yeah, this stiff wear, baby. Yeah, this is pretty. Again, this company is VIVI Baby Hair, VIVI hair. VIVI, I hope I'm saying it right, on Amazon. They sell bundles and full lace wigs too, so if you don't want a U-part wig, you can always get that. But if you want a U-part wig, if you like wigs but you like to be natural like me, honey, then this is definitely something that I think you'll be interested in. And also, like, cheap companies on Amazon. There's a whole lot of cheap companies on Amazon, and I think this is one of the best ones. The hair is soft. Yeah. And this is a nicely crafted wig. Like, it looks like a sew-in on a wig. Well, it is, but like, y'all know what I mean. Yeah, this is really nice. And the ends are full. That's one thing that I like, that the ends are full, because some of these wigs and bundles, even like any closures, any piece of hair, it tends to get more thin at the ends, especially with the longer lengths. Like, this is a 24, especially like 24, 26, 28, 30. It gets really thin towards the ends, but this wig is full from root to tip, which I really like. Yeah, thin wear, honey. Yeah, this wig is really good. The shipping, let me get into the customer service and shipping just really quickly. Shipping did not take long. I think it took, honestly, 2 days. And I think they have a, well, I'm really not sure, but for it to come so quick, they must have a warehouse in the US. Like, it might be a China-based company, but they must have some type of inventory in the US because it came really quick. It was either 2 days or 3 days. And I ordered it in the middle of the night. Like, I literally ordered it around, like, what, like 2 a.m. And it came 2 days after that. And it was so good. Again, this hair was around 140. It was like 138 and some change. Like 140, basically. And that is really good. Especially for some 24-inch hair, a whole wig at that, even if it's a U part, a whole wig. And like I said, it's really good if you want like a natural style, but in a wig form. So it's good for that. You know, it's thick, it really doesn't tangle, barely any shedding. You know, you're gonna get some strands, because especially if you're combing through it and stuff, but I really don't see any future problem with this hair. I just really like this hair. It's so soft, and the luster, and it's not stiff, and especially it's at an affordable price. Like, 24-inch wig, not even 140, it's almost 140. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. It's a great Amazon company. I don't know if they have their own website, but I know they're based off Amazon. So download the Amazon app if you already have it, and go search up VIVI Baby Hair. And in the notes, if you want to buy, tell them that Tori sent you. Period. Okay, so that concludes this video. I really hope you enjoyed this hair boxing. Another one is coming soon on the way, or I don't know, because I have a lot of pre-recorded hair unboxing, so I don't know which one you'll see first, but I think you'll see this one first. I'm really excited about this one. If you have any questions about the hair, you can either send a comment or an email to them. This hair will be linked down below. I'm gonna put y'all on, honey. Cheap, good wig. You can't beat that, honey. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.